In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you where to find the Portal Trainer for Ironforge and as well how to learn the teleport to Ironforge for mages. So this is the portal to Ironforge to teleport all your party together with you, and this is the teleport to teleport only yourself. So to learn this as a mage you must come here in Ironforge. So I'm located right now in Dan Moroch, alright, in Ironforge, and you will have to get at the mystic ward, and inside here you will have to get inside this building. All right, here you can find the Portal Trainer in Ironforge, and inside here we have to speak with this mage. All right, let's hit please teach me. And to learn the teleport to Ironforge you must be at least a level 20 mage, and to learn the portal to Ironforge you must be a level 40 mage. All right, so this is where to find the Ironforge Portal Trainer in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, also known as WoTLK.